Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of Python programming. First, let's talk about the history of Python. It was created by Guido van Rossum in the late 1980s and released in 1991. Python was designed to be easy to read and simple to implement, which is why it's so popular today. Now, what are the best uses for Python? Well, it's great for web development, data analysis, and artificial intelligence. It can connect to database systems, as well as read and modify files. It can also be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python is a type of computer language that works on all kinds of computers, like Windows, Mac, and even tiny ones like Raspberry Pi. Python is easy to read because it looks a lot like regular English. You don't have to write a lot of lines to make Python do something. It's short and simple. When you write Python code, the computer can understand and run it right away, so you can quickly see if it works or not. You can use Python in different styles, like giving step-by-step instructions, using characters, called objects, with special jobs, or using clever shortcuts, called functions, to get things done. Python's versatility makes it a top choice for both beginners and experienced developers. Now, I'll help you set up Python on your device. To install Python on your computer, first open your web browser, like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Then go to the official Python website by typing www.python.org into the address bar. Once you're on the site, click on the Downloads tab. The website will usually show the best version for your computer, whether you're using Windows, Mac, or Linux. Click the big yellow button that says something like Download Python 3.12.3 or whatever the newest version is. After the file downloads, click on it to open the installer. Before clicking Install Now, be sure to check the little box that says Add Python to Path. This step is very important. Once you've checked the box, go ahead and click Install Now. Wait a few minutes while Python installs everything it needs. When it's done, just click Close. To make sure Python is working, open a program like idle, which comes with Python, or open the command prompt on Windows or the terminal on Mac. Type this line of code, print, hello, world, and press enter. If you see the message appear, congratulations. Python is now ready to use on your computer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more programming tutorials. Let's get started on your Python journey.